Hi, I'm Susanna Wagner. I've been a wealth management analyst for over 4 years. Do you know how to get your retirement plan on track? First, you'll need to know your number. This is the amount you'll need in retirement in order to maintain your current lifestyle. You can get there by doing some basic calculations. First, you'll want to add up your income. For a lot of you, this comes from your earnings at work. And if you're lucky enough, this can come from multiple sources, such as Social Security, investments, or even a pension. Next, you want to estimate your expenses. This would be things like food, shelter, and utilities. Lastly, you'll want to do some math. This means adding up these numbers and then also doing some basic projections, such as how you'll need to save in order to meet your goals. Not sure how to crunch the numbers? Get in touch with a trusted financial advisor. They can help deliver a customized financial plan that is easy to understand and help get you on track for retirement.